What is SCOBY?
SCOBY is an acronym that stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeasts. And that's generally the term that's accepted within the kombucha community. Because there hasn't been a lot of research done on kombucha in terms of specific tests and this kind of thing, a lot of the evidence that they have about it is anecdotal. But since it has been around for thousands of years, obviously it's doing something good.
I have a question.
Sure.
Talking about the difference in brewing times, sweeter going to more vinegary, is there better or more of a health benefit to brewing longer?
There is, because more of the acids will be present in that. And actually the best method, if you're looking for the best combination of all acids available, there's lactic acids and different acids that are really healthy for you that are present, is to do a continuous brew, which I have in a sun tea jar. And so you just drink out of there and then add fresh on the top. And so there's a constant flow of new tea and the old mixture. But once it gets to the vinegar stage, it's not as delicious. So it doesn't have to go to that stage in order to be entirely beneficial.
Is there ever a point with the SCOBY where you need to just say goodbye to it and let it go?
Well, at a certain point it will stop producing babies, and that's when it is the really dark brown on the bottom, and you'll see that. And what that dark brown is usually is yeast, and it's gotten to the point where it isn't able to reproduce anymore. So then you would put it either in your compost pile, or as gruesome as it might sound, I put it in the little trash compactor. No, that's not what they're called. Garbage disposal, that's it. And I send it back into nature where it gets all chopped up. I always feel a little guilty when I do that. I'm like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm cutting you into pieces. But that way it doesn't go live in a landfill. Much better. But generally they can be used for a long period of time, and they will continue to reproduce for you. So while you're spending, $3.60 a day for 2 servings, this will serve you for a lifetime, for as long as you like. And even if you go on vacation, you could put it in the refrigerator and it will go dormant. So then when you come back to it, it may take a couple cycles for it to be fully back in. But you can put it in the refrigerator if you know you're going on vacation for a period of time and don't want to just let it turn into vinegar. That is possible.
Well, I'm interested in finding out how to make it.
Let's make kombucha.